Do you have a hard time finding subcontractors to meet requirements on one of your projects? Do you need a new source for materials or equipment? Our Smart Search tool helps you drill down to find exactly what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Chris Colabella from Construction Information Systems. CIS is a local project lead service. We hunt down all the projects and all the details you need to find your most profitable work. Then we put them in our data warehouse, we organize them, and we make them easy for you to use. You may think a search bar is just a search bar, but ours is different. In this video, I'll show you how to search for specialty subcontractors, material suppliers, equipment dealers, design firms, and owners. And then I'll show you how to drill down to find exactly what you're looking for your project. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start at your My Desktop and move over to the search section. When you're searching, you can choose geography, projects, GCs and subs, material suppliers, equipment dealers, professional services, owners, and sub requests. Let's start by searching on a project. I have a project in mind for the Woodlands Lake Dam in Mercy Park. That's in Westchester County. Now here, I could search by project name, project location, or if you happen to know the owner's project number, you can type that in too. And here I found the project. Once you find the project and you determine that it's the right project for you, you can track it right from here. We have a smart search on every page, so you don't need to go back to My Desktop. You can just change your search from right up here. Suppose you have a specific company that you want to find. You're not sure where they're located, but you do know that they're a professional service. You can search by the name of the company or the town if you happen to know it. But if you know their phone number, you can also search for their phone number. But what if you need to fulfill a WBE requirement on a specific job? For that, we'll choose the territory of the job. Let's go with Long Island here. And we know we need someone to do the lighting on a project for us. So we're looking for a subcontractor. We don't need to know what category CIS has. We can just start to type the word lighting and see what comes up. Now this project is a building electrical contractor. This fits most closely to what I'm looking for. And now I have 415 building electrical contractors in Long Island. But that's too many. Let's filter these results. Here you can see I can use a keyword like lighting. I can choose companies that can handle a certain size project. I can narrow down by the counties that they work in. But in this one, we're specifically looking for a certification. So we want, in New York, only companies that have a WBE certification. And now we can refine the search. As you can see, we've narrowed down to now 31 companies who have a WBE certification and are building electrical contractors doing work in Long Island. You may want to refine this search even more. To do that, we can open the filter results box back up. And suppose for this project, you need someone who can do union work. We'll refine the search again. And you'll see the number has grown. That may be confusing at first, but what this is searching are companies who can work in Long Island, who do building electrical, and are either WBE or union. And that's where the match score comes in. It's only the first 16 companies who can do both, and that's the target group that you'll be working with. You may want some more details about the company. Choose the company you're interested in. You can take a look at their company profile to see the list of qualifications that they've listed, some additional business information, the categories of work they've listed themselves in, including where their headquarters are. Sometimes they have multiple locations, and some direct contact names with emails. From here, to vet this company further, you may want to click through to their website to see what they talk about and the kind of work that they say they do. Often, as you know, you may see examples of some of the projects they've completed. But here, you can also see what projects they're holding plans on. This will help you see the size and type of project that they are used to doing. You can see how many projects they were low bid on over the past 3 years. And again, what size and type of projects. These listed over here are their prices. If you wanted to check in on any one of them to see how well they bid, you can take a look at the spread on that specific job and the full description. You can even see how many projects they've bid overall, 9 that they were low bid on, and 35 that they were not. So out of 44 projects, they were low bid on 9. You can do the same thing here and take a look at these projects and where they came in on the longer list. Don't forget that you can filter results for any type of company. Let's look at a material supplier. Suppose we need concrete on one of our projects in Philadelphia. We can take this list of 34 concrete companies and we can filter them by those companies who do work in Philadelphia County to make sure that we can get our concrete where we need it, when we need it. And we can even sort by town or look through our short list to see which ones are the closest to our project. And from here, we can directly email or call or visit the website. So to summarize, our Smart Search tool will help you find projects, GCs and subs, material suppliers, equipment dealers, professional services, owners, and sub-requests. A CIS subscription comes packed with many more easy-to-use tools to find and win jobs. To see live project information and to design a report that's exactly right for you, click the link below or visit us at cisleads.com/demo or call us at 800-247-1727.